Making some rosemary peppermint buttermilk bath bombs. So what I'm doing is I'm making a muscle rescue bath bomb, and it'll have sea salts and Epsom salts and things like that in it. Hello and welcome. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell a lot of different skincare products like body butters, handmade soaps and lotions, and shower steamers. So join me today in making some bath bomb. Okay, so I'm just sifting it. There's a lot of hard chunks in here like this. So I'm just breaking them down. So now what I want to do is just add the distilled water to the baking soda. So I'm just adding my SLSA, my buttermilk powder, and my cream of tartar. You can use cornstarch to help harden the bath bomb. So you don't necessarily have to use the cream of tartar, but I like it. And we'll just whip this up. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to work on my wet ingredients. And I'm adding Muscle Rescue has rosemary, peppermint, orange, and eucalyptus in it. So it's supposed to be the orange is really nice. It's a beautiful scent. And the rosemary and the peppermint and the eucalyptus are all relaxing, therapeutic essential oils. I have my poly, and I'll add it to the wet mixture. Now I have my wet mixture, it's all set to go. And add this slowly to this. As I pour it right in, that's how slow I'm adding it. Okay, hold on. Oh, I gotta get that up. Yeah, so do you love the scent of orange, rosemary, peppermint, and eucalyptus? Do you think it would be a nice calming scent for the nerves and the muscles? Let me know in the comments below what you think, especially like orange essential oil. It is such a beautiful scent. I love the other ones too, and lavender especially, but orange is really nice. Alright, let's get this all kind of mixed up here. Alright, so we are ready to mold. So I'm going to use some of my salts here, and if you haven't seen this video, it's on coloring or making bath salts, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. But I'm just going to pour a little bit in here, and these are the Epsom salts. So I have that, and I'm just going to put very, very little right in the here, not much. Just kind of spread it out. That might even be too much right there. And put this in, put my little colored bath bomb powder here. Put that on top, smush it. Smush it, well, don't smush it again. And I think I'll do one side. My mixture is drying up a little bit. And so this is the sea salt, Epsom salt bath bomb mixture. Tap it, make sure it lifts off. Okay. Tap again, then it comes right off, and see, there's the top. And no, I didn't know that. There. Okay. Oh, it smells nice in here. Alright, I'm going to do a little demo and I will show you that. So this one here, right there, that one has the Epsom salts on top, and then I just have my little colored stuff and that has Epsom salts there. Turned out really well, huh? So those are all my foot balms, or you can use them for the body, for a bath bomb. But I'm trying to come up with something for the feet because it's getting towards summertime, and it's just nice to sit back and relax and have a foot soak after a long day. So it gets all nice and foamy. Look at the foam on that. Wow. It's pretty cool. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help to get it out there in the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video, which is on the bath salts that I use to decorate these bath bombs, foot bombs. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.